Hello everyone, welcome to Tough Math, a channel for math teachers, math coaches, math contestants, or even math enthusiasts. I am Napoleon A. Gaking Jr., a math teacher. The problems that are featured in this channel come from various national and international mathematics competitions given in the past several years. And they appear here either in their original forms or in their repurposed versions. As such, the collection of solved mathematical problems in this channel will be an excellent source of training or review materials, especially for those who intend to compete in some mathematics competitions in the future. So here's our problem for today. In the following addition problem, distinct letters represent distinct integers. Determine the numbers represented by these letters. So we have here 40, the word 40 plus the word 10 plus the word 10 equals the word 60. So what numbers do these letters represent? That is what we are going to find out. So first, observe that either n equals 0 or n equals 5. But if n equals 0, then e must be 5. Because we in the second column, or the tens column, we have t plus e equals t again. So the sum e plus e must be either 0 or 10. But since we are assuming that at this point we are assuming that n equals 0, then e must be 5, because e and n must represent distinct numbers. Okay, so if n is 0, then e is 5. But if n is 5, then n is 0. However, if n is 5, there would be a carryover of 1 to the adjacent column. Which is the column for the tens digits. To the adjacent column, making the addition in this column incorrect. Hence, n must be 0 and e equals 5. So this is our first result. N equals 0, e equals 5. And there's also a carryover. And there's a carryover of 1 to the middle column. Okay, so next, if 1 plus r plus t is between 10 and 19 and O is equal to 8, then 1 plus O equals 1 plus 8 equals 9, and it would mean that S is equal to F, which is a violation of the assumption that distinct letters represent distinct numbers. So we put here, or we draw here, this symbol to mean there's a violation or there's a contradiction. Okay, so O cannot be less than 8. Oops. This O cannot be less than or equal to 7 . It follows that O equals 9. So this is our third result. We highlight that. Now, note also that if 1 plus r plus t equals 20, not equal to 20. Now, so let me erase that word if. Okay, note also that 1 plus r plus t is not equal to 20, for otherwise x would be equal to n, which is equal to 0, and that would be again another contradiction or violation. So we consider the next possibility. If 1 plus r plus t equals 21, then it will mean that x is equal to 1. x is equal to 1 and 2 plus O equals 2 plus 9 equals 11. So that means that I is also 1. That I is also 1, a contradiction again. So let's put that symbol to mean there's another contradiction or violation. Okay, so if another possibility is that 1 plus R plus T equals 22. So there are, out of this possibility, there are more than one possibility, sub-possibilities, if we can use that term. Okay, so one possibility is that R equals 3. Which means that T equals 9 equals O, which is another violation. So let's consider another possibility. Another possibility is T equals 8. But this leads to R equals 5 equals E, which is another violation of the conditions. So next, if 1 plus R plus T equals 23, where R equals 6 and T equals 8, we get X equals 3, O equals 9, and I equals 1. If F is equal to 4, then S equals 5, which is another violation. So 1 plus r plus t plus t must be equal to 24, where r equals 7 and t equals 8. This means that x equals 4, x equals 4, f equals 2, and s equals 3. Therefore, we have f equals 2, o equals 9, r equals 7, t equals 8, e equals 5, n equals 0, and x equals 4. So for y, we have y equals 6, and we can see that the addition to 9786 plus 850 is correct. So this is 3, 1, 4, 8, 6. So that is our video for today. I hope you like our discussion, and if you want to see more solved problems in this channel, just subscribe. Thank you and God bless.